come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi bully. Today I'm gonna just I realized I've been rebaking for over 2 weeks, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a live eat. I'm gonna eat once, you know what I mean, and then I'm gonna retoast on my toasted Avax, and then talk about why some people claim they're seeing like declines in their rewards and what's going on with the contract and all that type of good stuff. Now, before we get into deeper, you already know the vibes. Y'all know what time it is. Head over to that DeFi Bully YouTube channel. That's this one where you're watching the video and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. It's notification bell. NASA, you know the vibes. Bring that content. Got some good things coming up too. Anyway, so let's get into this video. Now, I did reach over 1 billion beans, which is a milestone for me. And I've been rebaking and rebaking for the past, like, I think 16 days or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat. This is not much right here. This is about like I believe that's like $34 or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat those. Nah, man. Now I was checking something a while ago on moonarch.app, and you know how they show the evolution total value locked right here, the EVOL TVL. Okay. Today has been kind of low, or the last couple of days I should say, or I should say high, because it's at negative 4.26, which means the decline is going down at a faster rate than it normally did. Now, this is normal when it comes to these miners, especially claim days where people are eating a lot. Okay, so I don't think it's like a crazy thing to be alarmed with, but just to get into the technical things and what it actually means is that if it continues at a rate that's higher than the rate that it pays out, it could get to a point where compounding won't really increase your rewards. It'll actually like keep it the same, or even in some cases lower, depending on how fast that decline continues and how long it continues. All right, so I mean, we've seen this happen before with a lot of projects. And if you think about baked beans as a whole, and when it came out back in November, it had like 3 months, 4 months where they was on, well, it went up, then it was shooting down at an even bigger rate than this until it got to that hype there where it's at today. So I believe like throughout with more marketing with the team and stuff like that, and the words getting out, because I hear a lot of people, I hear a lot more people talking about baked beans actually. Even people that don't even know nothing about crypto and DeFi, they're like, oh, you heard about baked beans? I'm like, oh yeah, I'm with it. Nah, so that's always good to see that the attention is growing. We just want to see that replicated into the contract. All right, so I did eat those beans successfully. It should go directly to my MetaMask wallet and my BNB. Now let's switch this network real quick and go over here to the toasted Avax, where I've been doing nothing lately but retoasting. So I'm gonna continue retoasting. Hold on. Let me change this. Let me change this to Avax. My MetaMask, change the network to Avax. Okay. Not much right here. Although the price of Avax actually been on a good uptrend lately. Let's take a look at that. Oops. Take a look at that really quickly. It's at $27. If you guys have been keeping up, it's been at $20. And those type of numbers, look at the last month. See that? Boom. Draw down to a low of about 22. That was on the 27th of May. Right now it's the 30th at the time of recording this video. So you can see the uptrend is going a little bit back up. It's back to 27, on its way to 30. Hopefully back to that sweet spot where Avax is at, normally like 70. Okay, that's like the sweet spot from what I've seen. So I'm gonna go here and retoast these, add this back to the contract. Increase my toast. Increase my toast. Yes. And do remember, people, these are like sometimes more considered longer term plays, especially if you go to the Bake House website. Let me show you. If you go to the bakedbeansproject.com or cryptobakehouse.com, it's going to redirect to cryptobakehouse.com. Remember, they have the staking platform that pays about 60% a year. It is a little slower, but it's definitely better than a bank account. And by all means, I believe it's safe. I do not think Baked Beans is a rug or a scam company. It's been around for 205 days now, according to Moonarch, that app. And as you guys know, in the DeFi space, that's almost unmatched. Almost unmatched. Look at all these other ones from that actually lasted more than 200 days. They barely have anything in the contract balance. You're looking at like $6,000, $7,000. That's nothing. And then the BNB miner, which been growing in attention lately, they're the longest running one. And even though it's been growing in attention, they're the longest running one. There's only 800,000 in the contract. I mean, that's a lot, but when you go to Baked Beans and you see that big 2.2 million, then you know who the champ is. All right. So I toasted those, retoasted those toasted Avax for the people, for the culture. I'm almost at 1,000. Let's get it. I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted a nice quick update video. And also in the Telegram group, from what I've been seeing, they've been doing like a lot of giveaways and stuff like that. So make sure you guys are in the Baked Beans Miner Telegram group. See, they gave out a first place, second place, and third place prize. Shout out to y'all that took part of that and won that. I like those little things that communities do. Here, go right here. Bakehouse Community Competition, win tasty rewards. That one passed on the 28th, which is a couple of days ago. But I believe they're going to have a lot more. And it's just a good way to keep the community incentivized and, you know, just chopping it up. But remember, people, like I said, I'm going to keep this one nice, short, and sweet. I ain't going to talk too much. Just showing you guys my journey, how everything's going. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just Nasa Ben Kabi. I don't give financial advice. I mean, I'm just a DeFi bully. But y'all stay safe out there, all right?
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.